Hi. I had a question about my father's will. Me and my siblings were wondering if, he and my mother just separated, and we were wondering in his will, he just has a new girlfriend, and she's a little crazy. So we were wondering if he even mentioned her in the will, a small percentage. Could she, and he passes away, could she take us to court and, fight us for more of
Channy,
the percentage of his will?
Are your parents going to get divorced, or do you know?
They are already separated.
Okay, so their assets have been divided. So your dad now has assets in his name only. So
Correct.
Channing, he can have a will here in the state of Florida. He is not obligated to leave anything to his adult children. If he wants to include his girlfriend, he certainly can. If he wants to include her for just a portion of his estate, or if he wants to leave his entire estate to him, he can. That may not be the answer you're looking for.
My question is, if he mentioned me and my siblings in the will as well as his girlfriend, could she take us to court and try to get more of what he left on the will?
So here in the state of Florida, she would have no rights to his estate beyond what he leaves her in his will. They're not married, so he has no obligation to leave her anything. So if he leaves her 5% or 10% or 1%, she's going to have to take what she gets because she's not getting any more.
Okay, that's awesome. Thank you so much.
Okay, Channing, you're very welcome. Now, what you may be talking about, Channing, is that once you get married, you are obligated to leave your spouse at least 30% of your estate unless you have a prenuptial agreement, Channing. So when you got your dad in a good mood someday and you're having a nice, quiet conversation with him and saying, Dad, you know what? Hey, I love your girlfriend, but Tom Olsen's on the radio and he says if you guys are going to get married, you really should get a prenuptial agreement.